how to express you are happy, you are sad, you are shocked, you are amazing, you are feeling cold, you are feeling hungry, you are thirsty, you are confident. All these are the expressions which we have to express. So, in every language there is a way of expressions, right? In Spanish, we will learn today how to express. So for the expressions, we use the verb tener. It's a er ending verb tener. So we will use the conjugation accordingly, right? We all know about the conjugation of tener, correct? So it's like tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, and tienen. This is the conjugation. We always have to remember this conjugation of verb tener. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella, usted tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. This is the conjugation we have to remember while we are talking about the expressions. Now starting with the expressions. Suppose you are saying, I'm confident. Confident, confianza, confident. Yo tengo confianza. Right? Now, cuidado. Cuidado is to be careful. Be careful. Or to take care. Take care. Cuidado. Cuidado. Right? Then comes éxito. Éxito is successful. Yo, you are successful. I'm successful. So, using the conjugation, we will make the sentences. Then comes frío. I'm feeling cold. Calor. I'm feeling hot. It's too hot. Fiebre. Oh, I'm having fever. Fever. Fine. Then comes hambre. Hambre is hungry. I'm very hungry. Oh, I need something to eat. I'm hungry. Sed. Oh shit, I'm thirsty. I need water. I'm thirsty. Thirsty. Then comes miedo. Miedo is scared. Oh, I'm scared of dogs. Yo tengo miedo de perro. I'm scared of dogs. Then comes paciencia. Paciencia is be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Right? Then comes prisa. Prisa is, oh, I'm in hurry. I'm getting late. I'm in hurry. Hurry. Prisa is hurry. I'm in hurry. Tengo prisa. Right? Then comes razón. Razón is when you have some reason or to be right. I'm right, right? Or if some action is going on, you are feeling right. I was right. Or I have a reason of this action. That feel is razón. Then comes sueño. Sueño is lucky. Oh, I'm lucky I got through this. I'm lucky. So, yo tengo sueño. You are lucky. You are lucky. Tienes sueño. She is lucky. Aya tiene sueño. John is lucky. John tiene sueño. Right? Then comes vergüenza. Vergüenza is ashamed. Oh, you are ashamed of this. I'm ashamed of this. Vergüenza. Then comes dolor. Ah, I'm in pain. Ah, I'm in pain, right? I am having some pain. Pain. So to be in pain is dolor. Then comes celos. Celos is jealous. Oh, I'm jealous. You are being jealous. So these are the expressions and this is the way how to make sentences using the tener verb with the expressions. So hope this is clear. In the next class, I will tell you another form of expressions and the next verb which we use to express. These are few expressions which are always used with tener only. No other verb will be used with with these expressions. So somehow you have to remember tener and the list of these expressions. Fine. Thank you.